see for our first North Sea nugget of the day coming up.
Look at what we found at the bottom of the seabed. In the days of when the pirates ruled the airwaves, this one's back, and it's flush with graves.
Unlucky for some, number 13 on the Caroline Top 50, November 1964. Here's the Nashville Thing.